Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nataliah and welcome to House of Nataliah. Today we have a haul for you, so let's get straight into it. This is a collective haul. I didn't spend all this money at once. By the way, side note, I know that I said I was coming back and that was, my last video was uploaded 2 months ago or something like that. My laptop broke and it was a lot of going back and forth with Apple because when I thought I had fixed it, it wasn't actually fixed. So back to Apple I went and then they sent it off and then they brought it to me. So anyways, thank you for hanging out. I'm so sorry that my upload hasn't been frequent. It's gonna be frequent now though. The first one is Tatcha Silk Canvas. I've actually already unpacked this. As soon as I got it, I put it in my kit. So I have a wedding to do this weekend and I need all of them to look flawless. I mean, literally, what everybody is saying, it's true. You get the smooth skin, it photographs really well, it wears amazing throughout the day, so it does hold onto makeup. But for me, I think what I love most about it is that it makes the complexion so smooth. Summer Fridays, you guys, this is amazing. I love the packaging too. It's like so sturdy. And my nails. Oh my god, my whole outfit kind of matches. Everybody's skin can be dehydrated. So it's really important to hydrate your skin. And this one as a sleeping mask overnight or right underneath makeup, especially on the areas that you get really dry, it instantly moisturizes the skin. It just relaxes the skin, anti-inflammatory. So really good. I love this one. I'm so glad I got it. This New Face, I was looking for something that I could prep skin with and really exfoliate the skin before makeup application because that makes a world of a difference. These, I believe, were only $10. There's 5 packs and the packs look like this. There's 2 sides to it. One is the exfoliating side and the other one just removes makeup. It's hypoallergenic, so that means that there's fewer chances of you getting an allergic reaction to it, which is great. I also got the facial radiance pads. Again, most of this stuff is for my kit for when I do my clients. And I take the prep step so seriously, and that's why I have hauled another First Aid Beauty radiance pads. It exfoliates, it tones the skin, and it brightens it. And the best part about it is that you don't have to rinse it off. These 2 exfoliating pads don't have to rinse off. And it hydrates the skin at the same time. Coconut water makeup wipes from Sephora. I love this. They smell refreshing. I just use it all the time on my face. So I bought 2. One's for me, one's for my clients. And then I got these 2 tiny little spray bottles. They're so cute. This one is from Caudalie and it's grape water. It soothes and moisturizes the skin. I love to use this after I exfoliate my client with one of the peel pads. And it kind of helps to just rebalance the acidity levels in the skin. And then the Rose Floral Toner. It's so tiny, but I've been using this one a lot on my clients, like right after I exfoliate or even before I exfoliate. I kind of use it to drench their skin because I don't have a sink there. So then I go in with like the exfoliating stuff and then I go back with the floral toner and spray them down again. So this one I feel like just, again, hydrates the skin and refreshes the complexion. So that was all I hauled for skincare. I'm just going to like randomly pick inside the bag and then talk about it. So the first thing I got, so this is from Sephora. It's the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in the Glow formula, and I got the tiny version because I'm really scared to invest in the larger one. I haven't used it yet. I am going to use this just to see what it looks like. I've seen Mario Dedivanovic, Makeup by Mario on Instagram. I've seen his work with this and the skin looks glowing, like healthy, like glass skin. Oh, I love that trend. So after this haul, I am going to be using a lot of the things that I've hauled in reviews. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay? I've also got the new Fenty Diamond Milk, and it's the white one. Ugh, I low-key wish I got Glossy Balm again because that was my everyday. I'm scraping the bottom of it, so I might buy the Glossy Balm again because it's such a good formula. And this one, like, it's okay. It's not like Glossy Balm though. It does have, like, if I layer it on, that's what it would look like white on my lips. I think it's a great topper. And that's probably what I'm going to use it for. Actually, let me kind of put it on right now. Yeah, I think it's a great topper. It might make the lips more glossy, a little more wet. I love that. Stellar. I got the Stellar Limitless Foundation because of Maisha. She is a Sephora Pro beauty director, and I follow her on her Instagram stories, and she was raving about this one, so I decided to get it. I don't know if this is my shade. We'll find out. This is in shade S14. It's 1 ounce. Maisha and I kind of have the same skin type where we're oily. I think she's oilier than I am. I'm definitely oily in my T-zone for sure, but we both don't mind the glow. I don't mind the dewiness. I also got the Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation. I immediately bought this after Karen, I Love Sarai. She had put it on one of her Instagram lives. Tom Ford. I have this weird thing. So I already have this, okay? But I bought it again because I feel like I need a backup before I start using the products. If anybody is like that, please make me feel better. And comment down below and say that you're like that too. Please, God. So this has been a really popular contouring shade from celebrity makeup artists that I follow. Makeup by Ariel, Mary Phillips, and this is in Intensity 01. Oh my god, another foundation! I got the Marc Jacobs Shameless Foundation in medium 390. This is my summer shade. So if you're around my complexion, this is a really great shade match. And also, I've gotten this whenever I shop on Sephora. They give like samples and I always click on the Marc Jacobs Shameless sample. The medium 320, Y320 is my winter shade. So that's interesting to know that that's pretty universal, I guess, if they put it in a sample that they're going to hand out to everybody. And this darkest shade, Tan Y40, is what I mix with because it is the perfect mixing one. If I feel like my foundation is a little too light, then I mix just a little bit of that in there and I get that richness back. I had to get this. It is easily a holy grail product. I had to get this one. I love the way it wears too. It's amazing. So next I hauled the Hourglass translucent setting powder and the ambient lighting powder in Luminous Light. I decided to get the smaller version because I want to try this before I open up the big one. I already know that I like it, but for me, this one is what I'm going to use on myself. The bigger one I'm going to use on my clients. And Luminous Light, ambient lighting powder, because Jaclyn Hill. She's not wrong. This is really pretty. Bobbi Brown. These new, they're not new because I've got 2 more shades in the lighter colors, I think. Yeah, in the lighter colors in my kit. This one is the rich one. And these are the nude finishing illuminating powders. I love this one so much. It just looks like a soft filter on the face. And this is what the golden one looks like. So you can see all the different dimensions. I just swirl my whole brush in there just for a little bit of a glowing effect on the skin. And again, filtered skin. It looks so good. The next few products are from MAC. I had to get 2 peaches because I'm hitting pan on my current one. It's been a while. It's taken a while literally for me to hit pan. So these last a really long time. And if there's anything about MAC I love, it's their blushes and their pencils. So good. And then I got the Whisper of Guilt. It looks different. I did swatch it. It just looks different from this Whisper of Guilt that I got. Like, I don't know, maybe it's, oh my god! Ah, no! The fuck?
Oh my god, I'm so sad! Give me a moment, okay? I'm gonna have a makeup meltdown. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's gonna be okay. No, it's kinda loose, it's fine. It's fine. Ugh, let me not, like, push it so far out.
So anyways, don't these 2 pans look completely different? I'm so afraid that this is gonna fall out again. These 2 pans look completely different, but if I swatch it side by side, yeah, like one of them is more peachy, the other one is more golden. So this was the holiday collection, I think, last year. And then this one I got on a whim. Lucky I got this one. Oh, but it's still kind of like, can you see it floating in the pan? It's just floating. I'm still going to use you because I love you so much. And then I got the pencils from MAC. Oak, Subculture, Soar, and Whirl. I just feel like these 4 are amazing for wedding or special occasion. I love MAC lip pencils. There's something about them that's just, the quality is really good and it wears really well. And it pairs with a lot of other lip products from different brands. So you guys, this is the haul. I'm so happy to dive into some things and start giving you some reviews. I miss doing those reviews and finding out about them with you. If you want to see those reviews, make sure you like this video. Comment down there about what you're excited for me to review. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.